Davey, I told you he'd be back. He said he weren't coming back, then he just can't stay away. He must have loved your company. Dad's back. This'll be our first proper journey together on the ocean. Dad, you're looking forward to it?
I am, yeah. It's a superb day. Sea's just right.
Yeah.
And I'm feeling okay.
This will be his first proper journey on a 24-foot sailing yacht out to sea. Let's check his sea legs out, guys. So the journey, the plan is, we're aiming for Grimsby. Felixstowe to Grimsby. So first part of the journey we'll stop off at Lowestoft and we'll catch up with you then. So see you in a bit, guys. Dad's now about to pay for his journey to the seagulls. Come on, put the coins over. May we travel safely. Right, Dad's now taken to the helm. Yeah. I don't think he's quite prepped for this next bit. You enjoying it?
Yeah, no problem.
Morning everyone, we arrived last night at Lowestoft Marina, the 10th wonder of the world. The 10th wonder because I wonder why I stopped here. Let's have a look round. That's the Royal Suffolk Yacht Club, and that in the background is because the bridge is about to lift. I'll take you around the other side, the nice side of it, where it's a bit more industrialised round here, so it's not up there on the list on TripAdvisor. And here's Dad. Wakey wakey, Dad. How you feeling?
Rough. I need some sleep.
Hey, we'll make a sailor out of him yet.